Hello guys and welcome back into your brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Microsoft Teams meetings. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to open your Microsoft Teams. So let's just search for Teams here. And basically, you can either join it from the web client or the desktop app or mobile app. So we wait for the Microsoft Teams to load and updates if there are any existing updates. And then we need just to log in to our account. And basically, this is the team interface and it's already logged in automatically. And from here, we will find teams and basically those are all the teams and this is the calendar and basically we will find let's just have the full screen and from the calendars you can have some meetings that will be added. As you can see, we can schedule some meetings on the events. But otherwise, if you want to just to join the meetings, you will need just to go to any channels. So from here, let's just click on got it. And as you can see, those are the meetings. And if anyone started the meeting or an admin or the channel host or anything starts a meeting, so let's just click on meet. We will find, let's click on join now. We will find this notification that will be added on our channel here or on the team room, and basically we will find this join button. All you need to do is simply click on the join button and you will be able to be redirected to the meeting room and you can start like talking and having conversation with your mates in the Microsoft Team meeting. And of course, you can start sharing your screen, you can control your camera, mic, etc. And of course, you can have some breakout room or there are only small rooms inside the bigger room or the main room. So basically, this is how you can join a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you next time.